Over the years, ICN has been piecing together a new masjid for our community. It's families like you that made it possible and opened up a world of opportunities. Now you can see the pieces come together yourself with our Masjid Al Nur jigsaw puzzle. Solve the jigsaw puzzle with family and friends. You're not just solving a puzzle, you're solving the future of our kids. Because behind this puzzle is a family that stays together and a community that grows together. Our masjid, our future.
Yay, we built the masjid!
Purchase yours today.